Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 20th of December. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, a quick announcement before we move on. The daily call is taking a Christmas break. Today is the last daily call for 2018. The service will resume on the 7th of January next year. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for all your support in what has been an extremely successful year. Make sure you check out our Platinum program, which launches in 2019 at csctraders.com.au. Okay, what's happened in the market in the last session, which has just gone by? From the UK, we saw CPI numbers come in on forecast at 2.3%. We also had CPI data from Canada. It also came in at negative 0.4%, but the main action all took place in the US, where we had the FOMC economic projections and the interest rates decision. Well, the FOMC did raise interest rates this morning by 25 basis points, making it a total of 100 basis points for the year. The new rate is now 2.5%. In their conference, they did, however, forecast only 2 rate rises for next year, and that's compared to what was previously forecasted for 3. It was a unanimous decision. That is also quite telling in what the thoughts are of the FOMC board. And it looks like the market has taken to this information or to this data release very well, as the US dollar is now currently soaring. Okay, let's have a look at our chart of the day. This is the final chart for 2018. Bit tough to find something this morning, but I did end up finding the CHF JPY, so the Swiss yen, on a daily timescale. You can see from this chart that I have found a nice level of support. The market has come down to this level a number of times. We could count this 1, 2, maybe 3 here, 4, 5. We are there again for a 6th time. So essentially what I'm now looking for is I am looking for a price action reversal pattern to occur on this region, in the highlighted region. And if I do get the pattern that I'm looking for, well, then I would be ready to pull the trigger on that. It is not ready this morning. It may be ready tomorrow after the completion of today's candle. And let's have a look. Well, make sure you add that one to your hot list and check on it yourself. You're looking for an inside candle, engulfing candle, or any of the candle patterns that indicate reversal. So there you have it. That is our chart of the day, Swiss yen on a daily timescale. Okay, what's happening in the session which is about to kick off? Well, we have at 8:45 this morning from New Zealand, we have GDP numbers which are due. 11:30 we have our employment numbers locally, the change in the rate due 11:30. Tentatively throughout the day, Bank of Japan is announcing their monetary policy statement. 8:30 from the UK we have retail sales. And then finally at 11 o'clock we have the monetary policy summary from the UK and their interest rates decisions, as well as their rate votes. So it's a big session in terms of data releases. Make sure that you take notes of those times so that you don't get caught up in any trades that you did not have intentions of taking. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a happy, merry and safe break over Christmas and the New Year, and I look forward to chatting with you next year. Take care. Bye for now. Merry Christmas.